one of the types of container that the ice comes in. This type and that type there, with white one. They do a smaller version of the white one. I think this is the only size of the blue one they do. There is a smaller version of the white one over there, which holds up to 200 kilos. That big one over there holds up to 325 kilos. This will hold about 200 kilos as well. Okay. The ice comes inside the skip, inside a plastic bag. Only use the ice that's in the bag. Don't do what I've seen other people do in foundries, etc., where they've got close to the bottom of the bag in terms of ice that's left in there, and they've decided, right, well, I'm sick of this bag, it's in the way. Pick the bag up and tip the ice into the skip and then start to scoop the ice out of the skip. You do that, all this here, it's all water ice. It's condensed on the walls of the skip. You start scooping dry ice out of there, skip, at the same time you're going to be scooping water ice. Mike's already explained, it is abrasive. It can damage whatever it is you're cleaning. So only use the ice that's in the bag. When you get to the quantity of ice getting low, as you can see here, there will be a requirement for you to sort of lean over and lean in to the box to get the ice out. Don't breathe in when you do that. It is up to this sort of level, maybe even higher. It is just pure carbon dioxide in there. You breathe in, it's going to be nasty. So that's what the ice looks like. 3mm diameter pellets, varying lengths, but the diameter is all the same. And as you can see, catch the light right, you can see the moisture that's settled on there. And it's frozen on there. It's just a fine lump there. Now, there's a lump where that moisture has encouraged all the pellets to stick together. It's not a lot of moisture, but there's enough there to make them stick together. It's very easily got rid of though.
Will that cause a problem?
No, not at all. It is unavoidable. So, only take out of here the amount of ice that you need to do the job that you're going to do. The reason being is because the last thing you want to do is leave 3/4 of a hopper full of ice in the machine and then come to want to use it 15 minutes later. You won't be able to. It's all matted together. So, for the purpose of this, before you guys have a go, I'll just use a scoopful for now. Once you've got the required amount of ice out of the skip, wrap the ice back up. The more you can prevent moisture getting into it, the longer it's going to last for you. So we'll reach a point, if you leave that open, leave the lid open, it will attract so much moisture that it will just pull the mat together and you won't be able to use it. Close the lid. Always put that rubber band on, hold the lid shut. This is a very volatile substance. It is continuously subliming to gas. Pressure does build up in these, and that pressure needs to escape. This is why they're not sealed, or not. So when you get to the machine, introduce the ice in a sweeping motion, so that if all of a sudden you spot a big lump of water ice, you can take that out. Get rid of it before you continue to put the rest of the dry ice in there.
Is that what the grill's for as well, in case you miss some?
Yes.
It'll just sit on the top.
Yeah. But of course that has to have a size, an opening, and you could quite easily put a smaller piece of water ice in there. Right. The maximum capacity is approximately 20 kilos in the hopper, which equates to about 2 of these buckets. 2 of these buckets will fill that hopper, which will be enough for, I would say, 35 minutes of blasting. 35 to 40 minutes of blasting on a 1 bar ice setting.